Hi guys, welcome to my channel.
Today I am going to show you how to make quick and easy breadcrumbs at home. Let's get started. 1 to 2 bread slices, make it into small pieces, roast it in a microwave for 1 minute to 1.5 minutes until it's crispy. Let it cool completely. And then we will grind it into powder. Now the breadcrumbs is ready. You can see it's a nice and smooth powder. If you see a small chunks inside, you can just crush it in your hands.
If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. And also, don't forget to like and share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Till then, bye-bye.